Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. First, locate the sensor at the front of the engine block. This is the boost/charge pressure sensor. Connect the A cable here. Next, make sure the cable is routed and secured properly. Use a zip tie and fasten it along the factory wiring harness to keep everything tidy and safe. Then connect the B cable to the sensor on the upper left side of the engine in an easily accessible position. After that, connect the D cable to the intake manifold pressure (MAP) sensor on the right side of the engine. When connecting each plug, you should hear a sharp click. That click confirms the connector is fully seated and locked in place. Finally, secure all cables properly along the entire route. The installation is now complete and your RaceChip is ready to use. Switch on the ignition and start the engine. The display or the green LED on the RaceChip will light up. Keep in mind that the car will need some time to fully adapt before unlocking the maximum performance boost. Now get out there and enjoy your RaceChip.